Hello, everyone. Welcome to Digital Media 101. I'm Adrienne King, your instructor for this course. I've been an instructor at Antelope Valley College for 24 years now. I also work part-time at Aerotech News as a graphic designer and production manager, where I design ads, and I also get the paper together for sending off to print. The best way to get in touch with me is to email me at adrian.king@avc.edu. It is on, you'll find it here also in Canvas. You can email me through Canvas or through Outlook. If you're going to use Outlook, that's the email program. If you're going to contact me, please send me an email from your AVC email address, as your personal email may go into my spam folder. Also, it's important for you to check your AVC email on a regular basis, not only for anything that I may send to you, but anything that may be sent to you from the college, financial aid or whatever it may be. But it's important to check your AVC email address or your AVC email. I don't check my voicemail on campus, so please don't contact me there. I haven't checked it in a long time. The best way to get a hold of me is through email. Again, either through sending it, through Outlook, or directly here through Canvas mail. I will respond to your emails within 24 hours, usually even on the weekends. If you email me, I will respond to you. But if you don't get a response from me within that 24 hours, it may be because your email went into my spam. I will also have a discussion post here that you can post questions to, in addition to emailing me. If you, like I said, if I don't get back to you within 24 hours, you can go ahead and post something to the discussion board question if you have it there, and then I will get back to you there as well. In this course, you'll learn the basics of 3 industry standard programs: Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. To be successful in this course, you will need to have access to these 3 programs. You need to have them by the end of the first week, so that we can start working, so you can start working on the first assignment. The Adobe Creative Cloud can be purchased from College Buys for a student discounted price. They offer a 6-month subscription for $49 and a 12-month subscription for $99. And here on the homepage in Canvas, you'll see the link to where you can purchase it. It takes you directly to the page on the website. So again, a 6-month subscription is $49.99 and a 12-month subscription is $99.98. If you're taking this course as an elective, the 6-month subscription will work for you. But if you're going to be majoring in digital media or any of the other degrees that we have in the department, the 12-month subscription would probably work best for you. That way, if you are, taking classes on campus as well, you can still go home and do some of your work and not just rely on the computers in the classroom or the lab. So this is a better deal than subscribing directly from Adobe, which is usually about $60 a month. And with that subscription, you have access to all of the Adobe products, not just those 3 that we're going to be using in the class. So if you're going to take like the web class, if you're majoring in digital media, if you take the web class, you'll have access to that. If you take a video production class, you'll have access to that software as well. Actually, yeah, that software as well. So any of the Adobe products. You're also going to need access to a laptop or desktop computer. The software will not work on a Chromebook. So the Chromebooks that the college lends out to students, the software will not work on those computers. So you'll either need to have a laptop or a desktop computer, and you will not be able to complete your assignments on a tablet either. The versions of Photoshop and I believe Illustrator that are available on tablets are not full versions, so you can't complete the assignments. So you again need a desktop or a laptop computer, but you can also access the software in the Open Lab, which is in YH203. At this time, I don't know when the hours that the lab will be open, but I will post those to either an announcement or to this page, this main page here, once I know that information. Okay. So let me go over a couple things here. Again, this is Digital Media 101. It is an 8-week course. The first day of the course is February 3rd, and it will end on March 29th. So that's 8 weeks. I have office hours here that I will be doing over the 8 weeks. The link to the office hours will be, the office hours will be done through Zoom, and there's the link to the Zoom, the Zoom room or the personal meeting room right there. The campus will be closed on the following days. So 2 days in February. That's the only day that's going to those two that Friday and that Monday are the only days that are going to affect us. The rest of the days are for if you're taking classes on campus, and they're a full 16-week classes a full 16-week class. Those days will affect you. Okay, so during the first week of the class, you're going to log into Canvas and post to the introductions discussion board by Thursday, February 6th. That will confirm your attendance in the online class, and thus doing so will confirm your enrollment in the course and avoid you being dropped as a no-show. Okay, so if you don't log in or if you don't complete that discussion board by that first Thursday, which is February 6th, you will be dropped from the course. Okay, so that's basically how regular class works. If you don't show up the first day, you usually are dropped from the course. In this case, if you haven't logged in by that first Thursday of the class, you'll be dropped from the course. Okay. And then here is my email. It's my first name dot and then my last name at avc.edu. Again, you can email me through Canvas, or you can email me through Outlook as well using my email address. Again, I will respond within 24 hours. And again, if I don't respond, it's either because I didn't receive your message or maybe it went into my spam, but I do try to check both of those to make sure. Okay. And again, it's important to purchase the software for the class. Here's the link to Creative or College Buys where you can purchase the software. You're going to have to use your ABC email address when you sign up when you purchase the software. Once you have purchased the software, you're going to go to adobe.com and create an account using your ABC email address. When you sign into your Adobe account, you're going to select the FCCC Foundation for Community Colleges option. And then sometimes there has been an error where it will still tell you if you see a try or buy or trial message, there may be an error in the login process. So that's the steps that you need to go through for that. And then if you're still having any issues, there's the email address for College Buys to help you if there's any other issues. Logging into Canvas, I don't provide any tech support for Canvas other than anything that I've created in Canvas, a page or an assignment. If there's something on the assignment page or the discussion board that's not working, I can fix that. But any other issues that you may be having with Canvas, logging into Canvas, you'll have to talk to Canvas tech support or ITS on campus. And again, you cannot use a tablet to complete your assignments, but you can use a tablet or your phone to check in to see if I updated anything, grades, that kind of thing. But you cannot complete your assignments on a tablet or your phone. Okay. This class will be divided into 3 units, 1 for each application. During each unit, you will complete a series of assignments. I will provide you with lecture videos as well as supplemental videos from Adobe or other graphic designers who can provide you another perspective on the programs or the concepts. I've been doing this for almost 30 years now using the Adobe products. I still don't know everything there is to know about the product, the applications. They tend to go through changes every 18 months, add new things in, but I continue to use the same tools and concepts as long as I've been using it. I do, attempt some of the new tools or some new concepts, excuse me, that may be added, but usually I stick to what I know from the original, versions of the programs. But again, with that being said, I do provide you with videos from other people that have used the applications as long as I have, and they can give you another perspective on the applications and the different techniques and things that can be done in each of the applications. Let's see. So textbooks, I don't require any textbooks. This is a 0-cost textbook class. But I do recommend some books, visual quick start guides, for Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. And there also will be a page here that will have a list with books and websites where you can go to find tutorials or supplemental information on each of the applications. Okay, so there's no required textbooks. Everything will be provided to you here in Canvas in either the form of a page for you to read or an outside video for you to read or watch, I should say. Okay. So again, it's going to be divided into 3 units. Each unit will approximately be 2 weeks in length. For each unit, students can expect to complete the following: several assignments using one of those programs. We're going to start with Illustrator. And then a discussion board. The discussion board is where you will submit your assignment for your fellow students to look at, give you feedback. And then there may be a different prompt for you to answer depending on the assignment that you're working on. You're also going to complete 3 practical quizzes and a final exam. The quizzes and final exam will all be done on the computer. The quizzes will test you on specific aspects of each corresponding application based on the assignments you have completed in each unit. So it's something you're going to do on the computer. There's no multiple choice questions, no essay questions for you to complete with those quizzes or the final exam. And then you have as much time as you need to complete those quizzes and final exam. Okay, so since it's all done on the computer, you can do it all at your own pace. They're not timed quizzes or timed final exam, so you can start on it, go back to it if you need to, go back and forth, but it's not a timed exam or a quiz, I should say. Each assignment will have a due date. If you're not able to complete the assignment 100% by that due date, please turn in what you have done so far. I would rather you turn in something than not turn anything in at all, okay, and get 0 credit, 0 points for it. I'd rather you get some credit for your assignments than nothing. So if you're having any issues with completing the assignments, please reach out to me before the due date so that I can assist you. I don't want you struggling with the assignments. I don't know if you're having any difficulties with the assignments unless you reach out to me. Okay, so again, I provide you with lecture videos, supplemental videos that will help you with each assignment. But if there's something that you don't understand, please reach out to me so that I can help you complete the project. Okay, so again, if you're by the due date, you're not 100% complete with the assignment. Excuse me. Sorry about that. If you're not 100% completed with the assignment, please turn in what you have. And then I can grade you based on that. And then you can complete the rest of it if you need to after the due date. Okay, so this is the basic information here for the class. How to contact me, my office hours, when the campus will be closed, whether if you're taking online or on in-person classes on campus. The two most important things that you need to do is purchase the software for the class. Again, it's 6-month subscription is $49. A 12-month subscription is $99. And again, that's a good deal if you are going to be continuing in the digital media. That way you can complete your assignments at home. If you are, taking in-person classes and you don't have enough time, you can use the software at home. And then the second most important thing is during that first week of class, you're going to make sure that you complete that introduction discussion board by Thursday, February 6th by midnight to confirm your attendance. And also I want to say that Canvas keeps track of your engagement and your activity in the class. So if I see that you haven't logged in a while, I'm going to think that you are no longer interested in the course. If there are anything comes up, please email me to let me know whether you can't get things done at the time or something came up. Please let me know, because if I don't see any activity from you, I'm going to think that you are no longer interested in the class. And by the end of the 8 weeks, if you haven't turned anything in, haven't dropped yourself from the course, you will receive an F in the course. Okay, so again, if you get into 1 or 2 weeks of this class and you realize it's not for you, please drop the class, because otherwise you may end up receiving an F at the end of the semester. Okay. And again, any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to email me. The link to my email is right here. And you can also email me directly through Canvas as well. Okay. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's work this semester. It's going to be a quick 8-week class. We'll have quite a few assignments to complete, so please keep up with the assignments. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, once the semester gets started, the class gets started, please reach out to me and I will get back to you as soon as possible.